will look like this. It will say phonics work text. Phonics work text. In phonics work text, we will be doing pages 7 and 8 on the work text. 7 and 8. And what we'll be doing is we'll be doing the letter sounds. Words beginning with the S, and words, page 7, words beginning with the S. Circle each picture that begins with the S. You have sandal, pants, socks, soap, sink, tub. Okay? And on the bottom, list the letters. Look at the letters. Circle each picture that begins with the letter sound. Toe. Okay? Teeth and hand. You're looking for the I sound on this one. Igloo, store, and tent. You only circle the ones with the I sound on this one. And for the S sound, we have beach ball, sail, and sandboat. Beach ball, sail, and sandbox. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna circle the ones that begin with the letter S. That's our lesson 3. On lesson 4, look at the picture, write the letter for the beginning of the sound. You got the I, the S, and the T. The I, the S, and the T is the things that we have been discussing this week. Okay? So you have the tiger. What will go in that line, on that line? If you said T, you are correct for tiger. You have the inchworm. What will go on that line? I. If you said I, you are correct. And on this line, we have the seal. Seal. What do you think on that line? If you said S, you are correct. Okay. You're going to trace the color word. The colors are black and white. You'll see it on this page. Black and white. After you do that, after you trace the color words, trace the word and read the sentence. Sit here. 14. Sit here. Okay? This is what we're going to go over on on Thursday, September 10th. This is out of our sonics book. One of the things that we are looking for in our sonics books is we're listening, speaking, reading, okay? We're trying to recall the 5 vowels. The A, the E, the I, the O, the U. Those are our 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We're going to associate the S with the letter S. Okay? We're going to distinguish between the S and the T. And we also are going to be able to read the high frequency words. God created us with the ability to understand the use of language. What are 4 ways God has given us to use our words? Okay? God created us with the ability to understand and use language. What are 4 ways God has given us to use words? Listen, speak, read, and write. Listen, speak, read, and write. Those are the 4 things, the 4 ways God has given us to use His words, okay? Listening, we're going to listen to the teacher or listen to the parent. Speaking, we're going to speak to a friend or a sibling. Reading, we're going to read our Bibles and our signs. Writing, we're going to be able to write a story or a letter, okay? We're going to talk about the word it. The word it The word it is on our board from today. It. It. Okay? You can read out loud if you want. Is the letter S a vowel or consonant? Is the letter S a vowel or a consonant? If you said the letter S was a consonant, you are correct. It is not one of the 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Okay? What clue that reminds us that the letter is a consonant? Okay? We're going to look for that. We will have a chart, but we know it's A, E, I, O, U. Okay? And we talked about the word family, it. Okay? We have the S, the I, and the T for sit. Okay? So we have the it sound, and we also have, you just put a letter in of consonant in front of the it, and you can make up words. Okay? The word family for it is the S, the I, and the T. Okay? The it. We have the S, I, T. The S, the I, and the T. You may not be able to see that because it is bright in here today. But that's our word family. Okay? So, that's what we're talking about today. When we join the INT, what we make? It, sent, bit, hit. Okay? That's what we have made when we join a consonant with the IT. So our high frequency words today, again, is here. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. That's our high frequency word. I sit here. Miss Lee sits here. Okay? That's our word. You can make up any sentences using here. And that would be great. We will all talk about the sentence here. Anyway, that's what we will be talking about on Thursday for our lesson 3. Lesson 3. In lesson 3, it says students will demonstrate the ability to learn, read the word black and white. We did that. Recall the 5 vowels, the A, E, I, O, U. Associate with the S. Distinguish the vowel I and the consonants ST. That's the word sit. Okay. We formed the blending, and we did page 7 and 8 on our lesson plan. That is our lesson for phonics on today. I will come back to you tomorrow with the lessons on phonics on Friday. Again, this is from Cedar Creek Christian School. This is Miss Lee, 1st grade class. Thank you. This is Miss Lee's 1st grade class for phonics. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you. Greetings to each.